Now discuss the water based on ICSE Class 8 Part 1. Dear viewers, I shall show the notes on discussed topic immediately after the discussion. It will be shown on the screen. Water is one of the most essential components of life. It covered nearly 71% of Earth's surface. Around 97% of water on the Earth is present in sea and ocean, etc. But it is not suitable for drinking and other use as it has high salt content. The fresh water constituent about 3% of Earth's total water. Due to the increase in population and environmental population, there is a considerable decrease in the availability of fresh water on the earth. Pure drinking water has become a precious resource which need to be saved for the further generation, that is the next generation, that is future generation. Water cycle. What is the water cycle? The natural process in which there is a continuous circulation of water from Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back to Earth's surface is known as water cycle. Property of water. Water is a chemical compound made up to two elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. This element combined chemically in a fixed proportional, that is the in ratio of 2:1 to form a molecule of water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. The properties of water molecule are different from those of its individual constituents, hydrogen and oxygen. The constituents of water cannot be separated by physical methods. On the passing electric current, water decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. This is called electrolysis of water. Some property of water nature. Water is colorless, tasteless, odorless, and transparent in its pure form. Form of water. Water exists in three different states in water: solid, liquid, and gas. Conductivity. Pure water does not conduct heat and electricity. Water only conduct electricity if there are dissolved impurities, salt and mineral present in it. Boiling point. Pure water has a boiling point of 100 degrees centigrade at sea level. At higher pressure, the boiling point of water increases to more than 100 degrees centigrade, while it decreases at low pressure. If there are impurities present in water, it boils at a higher temperature. Freezing point. Pure water has a freezing point of 0 degrees centigrade at sea level. If there are impurities in water, the freezing point becomes less than 0 degree centigrade. Also, as the pressure increases, the freezing point of water decreases. Density of water. The density of water is 1 gram per cc at 4 degrees centigrade. The density of water is maximum at 4 degree centigrade. The most important property of water, that is anomalous expansion of water. The volume of water is minimum at 4 degrees centigrade. Beyond 4 degrees centigrade, water starts expanding, these behaviors of water between 0 degree centigrade and 4 degree centigrade is called anomalous expansion of water. You will find that the volume of water decreases as its temperature rises from 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade, and then its volume start increases after 4 degree centigrade. Effects of anomalous expansion of water in cold region where atmospheric temperature falls to 0 degree centigrade or below. Water on the surface of pond and lake cool and freeze into ice. The frozen ice float on the surface of the water as the density of ice is less than the density of water. As water is a bad conductor of heat, the ice layer prevents loss of heat from the lower layer of water. Thus, water below the layer of floating ice has temperature greater than 0 degree centigrade, which helps in the survival of aquatic animal or aquatic plant. Gases dissolve in water and their importance. Atmospheric gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide can dissolve in water. Dissolved oxygen, which is very important for the survival of many aquatic animals, it used for respiration. Aquatic plants make use of dissolved carbon dioxide to prepare food and release oxygen, which is used by fishes. Soft drink contain carbon dioxide, that is CO2 gas, dissolved in water at high pressure. Other gases like ammonia, chlorine, methane and nitrogen can also dissolve in water. Water contains dissolved solid. Substances like salt, minerals, metals or ions, which are called the TDS, that is total dissolved solid, dissolved in water. Water, a universal solvent. Water can dissolve a greater varieties of substance than any other liquid. Hence, water is also called the universal solvent. Soluble in water. Substances that dissolve completely in water are said to be soluble in water. Insoluble in water. Substance that does not dissolve in water are said to be insoluble in water. Miscible liquid. Liquid that dissolve in water are called miscible liquid, that is example vinegar and alcohol. Immiscible liquid. Liquids that do not dissolve in water are called immiscible liquid, that is example oil and petrol. Solution. The most important property of water solution. The substance that dissolves, that is smaller component, is called solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves larger component is called solvent. The solute dissolves in the solvent to form a solution, that is solute plus solvent form solution. A solution is a uniform mixture of a solute in a solvent. Solutions are homogeneous mixture. the solution one type of homogeneous mixture. Example of solution: soda, carbon dioxide is the solute, water is the solvent. Salt solution: salt is the solute, water is the solvent. Tincture: iodine is the solute, alcohol is the solvent. Three types of the solution: unsaturated solution, saturated solution, supersaturated solution. Unsaturated solution: a solution in which solute concentration is low and more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at a given temperature is called an unsaturated solution. Saturated solution: a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at a given temperature is called a saturated solution. Supersaturated solution: a solution in which there is more amount of solute in the solvent at a given temperature is called a supersaturated solution. Next part discussion in part 2.